my channel. This is Ashanae. I'm back with a new video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much and thank you for supporting. Now today I'm going to be doing this like I'm going to be doing this purple Mauvee look that I had in one of my previous videos. I did a video for best primers for oily skin. I will link that in the description box and have it pop up in the cards if you would like to check that out. I just did a nice purple smoky Mauvee look and I'm in love with it, and I was requested to recreate it and show what I use. But it's crazy because I use the CARLI BYBEL BH Cosmetics palette, 14 eyeshadow palette. And let me tell y'all, this palette, if you are an OG YouTuber, subscriber, not subscriber, but been on YouTube for a while, watching people on YouTube and know CARLI BYBEL, you know this palette is like a classic. I had this palette for so long. Look, I never really touched nothing in this palette. Like, and I don't know what made me pick it up. And I created this bomb Mauvee shade. I created this bomb Mauvee look, and I was just like, wow, why did I stop using this palette? Like, so we're gonna get into this makeup look, and I'm gonna show you guys what I used and how I created a nice purple Mauvee look. First shade I'm going to be using is this purple shade right here. This is like I wouldn't consider it lavender, it's more like a gray purple to me, in my opinion. So I'm going to just use this in my crease. This is going to be my transition shade. I'm going to go in with this deeper shade right here and basically deepen up the crease. We'll put it right under the transition shade. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this, the deeper purple shade, I'm going to just basically, I usually do half cut creases, but I brought it more all like majority of my eye. I just left like a little space right here, so I'm gonna just pack the purple there. I'm just gonna blend that out on the outer corner, the darker purple. So I'm gonna basically take a, what you call this brush, an angle brush, and I'm gonna dip into the dark purple. I'm gonna dip into this dark purple, and I'm gonna basically run that over the crease and basically define that. If you've been watching my videos for a while, I always do this. It makes it just look more, it gives it more definition and seamless. This shade right here, I'm going to put this right directly on my lid. A little bit more dimension, and I'm going to just use the same brush that I used with the dark purple, and I'm going to go into this gray charcoal brownish shade. I don't know what to call that, and I'm going to just, and this has shimmer in it, so we don't care. And I'm going to just put this on the outer V just to make it a little bit darker, just to give it a little bit more dimension. Boom. I'm going to take some of my coconut mist spray and I'm going to spray my brush and then go over it so I could give it a little wet effect. Just pat that in. Do a little bit more of a wet look. See? Big difference. Big difference. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a big difference. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Control Mist Spray. Y'all know I love this stuff. Like, freaking love this stuff.